So I've just restarted my virtual machine and I'm back at the login screen. But now, since I've installed Ubuntu, I have that as one of the options for how to boot back up. So I'm going to select that and log in. So new background, and we can see much simpler UI here. So I'm just going to add, let's see how I can do this easily. Oop. I'm going to add the terminal window over here so I can get that a little more easily. Yes, system tools. Let's see. There it goes. I see. I actually have to click that out. Okay, here we go. Panel items. Let's see. Can never remember exactly how to do this. So let's see. Launch bar settings. There we go. So file manager is good, Chromium browser is good, and let's just throw in the xterm. Alright, I think that's the main one for now. There's one more tool we're going to grab. So this is something that different people have vastly different preferences for. But for my text editing here, I think I'm going to go with the Sumblime text editor. So let's grab that for Ubuntu. I vaguely remember for Ubuntu there's a way to add it through the package manager, but you can always grab the generic Linux one as well. So let's take a look at that. Alright, Sublime. I see. Sublime 3. Yes, that would be it. So grab the wrong one. Okay, Ubuntu 64-bit. Alright, and it's a .deb, so that'll get installed through the package installer. Great. So now the question is where it'll actually install this. So if you remember in the last video, I had to, as part of installing the Pebble environment, I added a line at the end of the .profile to add the Pebble binary to the path. Alright, so install finished. Okay, great. So now you can see that if I start up the terminal and type Pebble, Pebble is now in my path. If I try to complete Sublime, it's not in my path. So how do you fix that? Well, first we have to figure out where Sublime installed to. I think if I remember right, yeah, it gets installed to /op Sublime text, and then Sublime text is the name of the executable. So running that should open up the text editor, and there it is, unregistered. Great. So if you want to be able to quickly open documents from the command line, you would have to basically, if we go back in our command history, one way to search is Control-R. So if I would have to actually remember what the heck that command started with, or some text from it. I know it had the, there we are. To get that up, I typed the greater than symbol twice. So it searched through my command history and found that this command, which I had used previously to edit the profile. So here, instead of adding the Pebble path, I'm going to add the Sumblime path. Okay. Uh-oh. This might be a problem. So it's expecting me to copy by highlighting and paste with the right click or middle mouse button, but that is not working. So let's see. Is there a option for this? So there is not. So this is a little bit of a hassle. I actually don't know if there's another paste command for Xterm. Let's see. It's also possible there's a different terminal tool that might play more nicely with my mouse, but not looking like it. Oh, so that actually, so this UX term is actually oh, now it's working. Interesting. So let me copy my text. Okay, why is it not working here? There we are. So middle mouse button worked now. I don't know what was going on before. So let me just double check that I haven't screwed up my path by looking at that file. Alright. So it looks like that last command didn't work. The file still only has the last command being that Pebble one. Ah, no such file or directory. I see. It looks like these quotation marks are... Yes, there we go. Great. So now if I look, still didn't add it. Getting used to the command line again clearly is taking its toll on me. So let me actually take a look at the original command without having to try to go back through the history and pull it back up. Yup, okay, guides. Let's see. Alright, so now this is back on this, so we can see the, here we are. Ah, I was missing the echo part of the command. Makes perfect sense. So copy it from here, paste it here, and now replace that with the Sumblime directory. There we are. Now if I look at profile, there it is. So now if I try to do source dot profile, okay. If I type Sumblime, there it is. So now I can easily open text files in Sumblime.